Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve credit score with Experian, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your credit score with Experian, start by obtaining your credit report. Visit Experian's website to access your free credit report. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, download your credit report for review. Carefully examine each section of your report for accuracy. Look for any errors, such as incorrect account information or late payments. If you find inaccuracies, gather supporting documents to dispute them. Submit a dispute through the Experian website by following their guided process. After submitting your dispute, monitor its status in your account. Next, focus on paying down existing debts to improve your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Consider setting up automatic payments for bills to ensure you never miss a due date. If you have high-interest debt, look into consolidating it for easier management. Regularly pay off your credit card balances in full to avoid interest fees. Diversify your credit mix by considering different types of credit, like installment loans and credit cards. Avoid opening multiple new accounts at once, as this can negatively impact your score. Check your credit score regularly through your Experian account to track your progress. Maintain a good mix of credit accounts while ensuring timely payments. Lastly, stay informed about credit management by utilizing resources available on the Experian website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.